welcome to my world. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany. I do a lot of random things on this channel, just so you know. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a huge inventory haul. I am launching my business soon, and this is a lot of stuff that's just been sitting in boxes and bags that needs to be put up, and it's getting closer to that launch date, so I need to start putting stuff away, getting stuff clean, sanitizing, organizing, all that good stuff. And I'm not going to tell you guys too much about exactly what I'm making, but I will give you guys some ideas just to help you guys. You never block your own blessings by trying to help someone else. So if I tell you something, you find it beneficial and you do it in your business, if you do it in your brand, you do it. I don't, because at the end of the day, I'm going to get mine and you're going to get yours, and everyone has a plan for their life, right? Great. So without further ado, we're just going to get into this huge, massive inventory haul. Do your own research as well, but I don't mind helping out a bit. So let's just get into the video. First things first are these little bags. They're this like bubblegum pink and they look really cute. These I did get from the Target dollar spot. 8 gift bags in here, and I just thought these would be the perfect like bags just because some of my products are glass and they're bottles and stuff. So I didn't want to get the little treat bags that have like the more pointed bottoms, if that makes sense. I got these just because the bottles can stand up on here and I can say, here you go, so people get their stuff and feel special. And these were $3, so for $9 I got 24 bags, and that's not bad. The next things I got are smooth extra virgin olive oil because I plan on putting this into my lip scrubs, and I got the smooth one just because I never tried it. And online it had a lot of good reviews, especially relating to skin, so I got the smooth one. And then I got Clover Pure Honey, Good and Gather Pure Honey, and it looks like that. And who knew honey was expensive? I have these white beeswax pellets. They're 100% natural, cosmetic grade, superior quality, triple filtered. And I have seen a lot of good reviews on these. I did not open them yet, but they just look like this. And yeah, these are for lip balms, and these are my Vivaplex 50 high quality clear balm tubes with white caps. So here's the box, and they come like organized like this. It's so crazy because I know I'm about to have to clean all this stuff and sanitize. So I'm gonna just take some out for you guys. They look like this. Twirl it up. I'm trying to show you guys the best way possible. These are just some unicorn glitters for my glosses, and they are iridescent and they look really, really cute. And your girl got things coming on the way. Thank you stickers, and they're just gold because I ordered some online, but they're probably not going to be here on time because I got them from the vendor. And yeah, but they're just gold and they say thank you and they're heart. Then next I got these snowflakes. They look like this just because I have a plan on what I want to use them for, and I can't wait to like start launching and showing you guys like how I make my products once I start selling. So yeah, I got those. And then here are some labels I got made. It has my business name on them. They're clear. Here's just one of the sheets. It just says Crown Golden in our Instagram. So the IG for my business page is @xo.crowned_flavoring, and some essential oils. So let me take these out for you guys. I have a essential oil blend, which is peppermint, and it's invigorate. I guess peppermint is invigorating, and it's safe and easy to use and hypoallergenic. So there is peppermint. I just got a thing with 2 of them in there because I have like cute stuff planned. And I got cotton candy, and then I got cinnamon. And that's so weird, I know, like I was thinking like what, but like actually I have another thing I have planned coming up. But I can say one of my glosses is named Cinnamon, and this was just like literally the most amazing thing to find. So next 2 things are some stuff that I bought for like my photos. And I can tell you guys, Walmart does have some of these foam sheets, and they're 9 by 12 inches, and they're just glitter foam sheets, and it looks like this. And I just thought these would be perfect for product photos. Yes, Walmart. This one I did get from Michael's, and it's probably because it's freaking Martha Stewart's cardstock. But this one was super cute, and it was like probably like $2. And this one was like 47 cents or 90 cents, I don't know. But check out both places for these. Don't say I didn't put you on. Cup, measuring cup, looks like this just because I'm not gonna do the double boiler method, just because like I'm not about to spend money on that. Like, come on now, get you some Pyrex. Shipping scale, guys. They sent one battery by itself and two together. That's so odd. This one was $20, but okay, it's cute, clean looking, neat looking. Opens right there. That's where you weigh stuff. Guess you close it like that. I got some Avery label paper, and I found out the business card one works too. And you can find this stuff anywhere, honestly, online, in stores. I say in stores may be your cheaper option, just because online you're always gonna have to pay shipping. Guys, I'm putting you guys on 1 inch by 2 inches and 5/8 for the lip balm. So it looks like this. So I could wrap that around the tube so there could be a little bit showing. But I got this one, which was a little pricier because there's 25 sheets, so there's 750 of these. Literally have 50 lip balm tubes, but 750 of these. But that's okay. I got this one just because I'm like, okay, for each lip balm I want like the name of the lip balm on it, so I could have like a whole sheet for like say one flavor, then a whole sheet of the other flavors. We have this for one of my more pricier items. Not gonna tell you what it is, but it's gonna have aloe vera juice, gel, a lot of different type of veras in there. Distilled water, and this is just a great value one, just because some of my products you need some distilled water in there, and I actually plan on making something that for sure needs it in there, so I thought why not. Our witch hazel, and I just have the Dickinson's natural distilled witch hazel. Then the next thing I got is this fractionated coconut oil, and I didn't even take it out the packaging, but I got fractionated coconut oil because like for my lip gloss. Lysol, just because for cleaning you're gonna need it, but I got disinfecting wipes just because a clean work area is the best. Two things. First, I have my mailers, and these are the mailers in the 6x10 have extra bubble wrap, just because some of my products are glass, so I would feel more secure having them in the bubble mailers with bubble wrap. So 6x10 look like this. Organza bags, and these are 4x6 inches, I believe. Yeah, and I don't know exactly what I want to do with these. I just know that these are cute. I got 100 of them. They look like this. They're cute. I just went with white because my colors are white, gold, black, and pink. So bubble mailers, which are 4x7 inches, and a full bubble layer for better protection, lightweight, and safe. And I just got the basic like orange, just because, guys, I'm just starting. Next, I got smaller syringes, and I already opened this one, but these ones might be better for my lip glosses, so I ordered the 20 milliliter ones, and I got 4 of them. They just look like this. Our grapeseed oil, and this is all natural grapeseed oil, and it says it's good for, it's super lightweight. There's easy absorption, skin and nail care, hair care, massage oil, and rich in omega-6. This is the one I got if anyone wanted to know. And yeah, I got light brown domino sugar, just because one of my scrubs has light brown sugar in it. Pure cane sugar. And I wanted to try this one because I'm used to like normal sugar, but I never tried this. So I want to try this. This just had one item, and this one item is my shipping labels. So you just open it, and wow. Oh, that's so cute, guys. I was gonna order some fragile stickers, but I did not. And this comes with 12 fragile stickers, but I ended up buying like 20 fragile stickers or something like that. The label is just right here, so you can see the difference between here and this. But I didn't know this label was so big. I got 2 of these like 2B type anti-mascara tube ones, whatever. I've kind of been playing with them, that's why some of this stuff just flew around. Oh, I've been collecting these for multiple purchases. I can say I'm going to be doing a lash and brow serum. Mini golden and clear droppers are 24 of these cute little droppers that look like so. I've really got to move up. It looks They're like this size, and here's the cute little gold and white dropper. Cute little organza bags to go with something I have planned to go in there. And these are from the dollar store. Yes, you get 8 mini organza bags for $1. Dollar Tree has them. You're welcome. Selling something in a set of like 3 or 4. I haven't decided 3 or 4. I'm still testing that, but I'm gonna put them in the little pink bag and sell like the minis in here as like a cute little, like, it could be a gift set or it could just be a set for you. So this is how it looks with 4, and if I took one out, I could probably close it a little better and have 3. So I don't know, 3 or 4, something like that. So guys, that's pretty much all for my video. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope I inspired you guys to check out some stuff, look into things, because as you guys seen before, I only have one type of flavoring oil because lip gloss, TKB, it only makes sense when that's what you usually hear about. So I had to do my research, and I didn't want to tell you guys where I found mine because I found them at multiple different places, like literally for way less than what you pay for one TKB. And I'm not gonna knock TKB because like I'm definitely gonna stick to getting their gloss bases. I had got 4 more in the mail the other day, but I had already been playing around with stuff and putting those up, so there's that. Your girl is starting her stuff soon. Guys, I hope everyone continues to do them, flourish and grow. I love you guys so very much, and thank you for supporting me always and watching my videos. And if you watched to the end, thank you. And I just want to say I will talk to you guys later, and love you. Bye.